Speak up for women. But actually, it works the other way. We were just at a weekend with a bunch of women who've won the Nobel Peace Prize, and a lot of activists in areas of conflict around the world, including the Congo, Iran, Afghanistan. And what some of these women were saying, especially this Women's Nobel Initiative, which all the women winners of the Peace Prize have banded together to try to do more, they're saying that it's a huge fight on the world stage just to have women's issues considered part of human issues. And that's what we're up against. It's not that we right now have to do it the other way. You know, it's just not considered. In the Congo, it's only in the last year or so that rape has been considered a human rights issue in the Congo. Before that, oh, that was a women's issue. Now that happens, okay, nothing we can do about that one. So I think there's a lot still to be done. You know, maybe someday everything will simply be a human issue, but that day ain't here.
We're doing something.